Want to stand out as a makeup artist in 2025? Your portfolio is your ultimate key to success. In this video, we'll guide you through building a stunning portfolio that attracts clients and grows your career. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your niche. First, decide what type of makeup artist you want to be. Do you specialize in bridal, editorial, special effects, or celebrity makeup? Highlight your best work in that niche while showing versatility. Step 2. Work with diverse models. Diversity is key. Clients look for artists who can work with all skin tones, face shapes, and ages. Showcase different styles to prove your adaptability. Step 3. Capture high-quality photos. A strong portfolio needs professional, high-resolution images. Blurry selfies won't cut it. Work with photographers, use great lighting, and capture before and after shots for impact. Step 4. Build your digital portfolio. In 2025, a digital portfolio is essential. Use Instagram, YouTube, a personal website, and Pinterest to showcase your work and attract potential clients. Step 5. Promote on social media. Consistency is key. Post regularly, use trending hashtags, and share behind-the-scenes content to engage with your audience and build credibility. Step 6. Add client reviews and testimonials. Nothing builds trust like happy clients. Collect reviews on Google, Instagram, and your website to showcase your expertise and results. Step 7. Keep your portfolio updated. Your portfolio should always evolve. Refresh it with new looks, update seasonal trends, and add your latest achievements. And there you have it. A killer makeup artist portfolio that sets you apart in 2025. Ready to take your career to the next level? Start building today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup career tips. See you in the next video.